What's up, guys? You seriously need to see this Best Sup Light new. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it is absolutely impressive. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. They are selling out fast. See the deal in the bio and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.